Behind me is a real photo taken from space of one of the largest objects in the solar system that most people have never even heard of. This is the third largest moon in the solar system, Jupiter's moon, Callisto. It's so big that despite being about 630 million kilometers away, you can still see it from Earth with regular binoculars. This is the oldest surface in the entire solar system. It's mostly rock and ice. It doesn't have cool moon things like lava fountains, ice volcanoes, lakes, and geysers. No, Callisto is completely geologically dead. In fact, there's no evidence that Callisto has ever had any geological activity. Because of that, there's no process for covering craters from asteroids that have been slamming into it for billions of years. Which means Callisto is also the most heavily cratered object in the whole solar system. And some astronomers think that if you dug like 100 kilometers deep into the moon, you'd hit like a giant subsurface ocean. Which is very cool because it formed from an ancient ring around Jupiter and it kept collecting and collecting stuff until it became a moon. And I mean, you can kind of see where the ring used to be. And it still has faint rings. There are currently 2 spacecraft on their way around Jupiter, the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer and NASA's Europa Clipper. They should both get near Callisto in the 2030s, which is pretty exciting because it's pretty far away from Jupiter and it has low radiation and no geologic activity, which means it could be a good spot for a future base for humans, especially because we could use a gravitational assist from Jupiter after launching.